There are several options for viewing the videos. The first is the web interface, the second is a downloadable version of the videos, and the third is a shippable DVD. The download and the DVD both allow you to view the videos in high definition. The high definition version is one I suggest simply because it's a higher resolution, it's a lot smoother watching it because it's got a higher frame rate, and the audio quality is better. The web version, or standard version if you're downloading it, is also very good. It's got a high resolution, but it's been optimized for web streaming, so it doesn't have the same kind of quality as the HD. So if you have the opportunity, I definitely suggest getting a download or a DVD. Once you have the video or you're viewing a video, I suggest watching it in full screen mode. The reason is that because we're recording an entire screen so you get the entire context of the code, it's going to be a lot easier to follow along if you can view it at a high resolution. If you have a large monitor, then a smaller screen might work just as well for you, but in general, full screen will be useful. Because of that, if you have multiple monitors, what you can do is set up the videos on one monitor and follow along with the code on the other. If you have an iPad, you can also set up the video on the iPad and use that as your second monitor. As you're watching the videos, it's helpful to watch them in order. Each chapter contains a full video that's cut up into separate sections. Each section is fairly standalone, but it does build on the previous examples, and so the code gets more complex as the chapter progresses. At the beginning, we have a simple example, but as the chapter progresses, we build on that example to make more and more complex code. The chapters themselves also build on one another. So in later chapters, after the menu system is discussed, we might just assume that the viewer knows about the menu system and gloss over that detail in the code in order to focus on what the video is specifically about.